right, so today I am going to open my MomCozy auto bottle washer. Okay, so I've had my eye on this for a while. Just really not having an opportunity to see what it does, and we've been working overtime washing bottle parts. All right, so let's see what we got. So first, in the top, we have detergent tablets. There's the user manual. Of course, more packaging. And then here is the bottle washer. This thing is huge. Now, based on the reviews online, I'm told that it needs to be next to a sink, and that's exactly what I have it next to. Right. So I'm gonna open this bad boy up and see what it has to offer. All right, so as you can see, this is the water tank. This is actually the front of the unit. Okay, this is a quick start guide. It has the quick wash and dry mode, the normal wash, sterilize only, and then dry and storage only. So this is printed on a little sticker in the front. And I'll probably need to figure out where this is gonna go, because there's also a little adapter that needs to be plugged in the back, along with a, actually the adapter goes here. And this is the water tank. All right, so take off the packaging. And there's a lot of packaging, because I know they want to make sure this is delivered nice and intact for the customer, so that makes sense. So this is the top. If you look inside, there's a little container where you probably can put pacifiers, and then inside you set all the bottles. It holds about 4 bottles. Okay, I'm gonna put this back. This always goes in the front. And then just look in the back. So this is the tank where the storage of water goes. So I'm going to remove this tape they have that's holding it down with the lid. On both sides. Okay. All right, that's the top. These are the cables that comes with it. All right, so I'll have to find a place that's next to the sink and that's next to power. So I'll honestly probably have to move this to the other side of the counter. All right, so this is the first. This is a voltage cable. So this slides on like so. All right, so this cable goes here. Flip it open. All right. We'll plug this one in. And this one goes here. And I believe this is, oh yeah, this is actually the suction. So you see these little suction feet? You can move them wherever you need them. And we'll plug, these are both the same on both sides. So this is what actually will go in the sink. And you can kind of use this to funnel it in the sink, or if you want to stick it to the kitchen counter, you can do that too, to kind of help it stay in place. You can do that. All right. Okay, so if you look at our user manual, I've already kind of set it up, but let's go ahead and go to the part where it gives us instructions on how to set it up. So this gets us in a lot of languages: French, English. Actually, that's the only ones. Okay. All right, so let's look at the control panel description. So if we look at this control panel on the front here, this is the power button. And then start and pause are the same ones. Water shortage indicator is here where it says no water. Drying is here right under it. Rapid, that's how fast the wash is actually going. Normal wash is here. Steam is here. Fresh air is here where it says fresh air. And storage is here. And then last is steam. Okay, so it will probably be the sterilizer cycle. All right, so installation, we've already actually used the drain pipe. So this is called your drain pipe. And this is a power cord. We've already done that. So I would place the drain pipe in the sink, which makes sense. So adding water to the tank, let's do that next. So you can either just open this cover and add the water. You should add purified or distilled water, or you can just directly remove this and add it back. So I'll actually remove it, okay? So this is very easy peasy. Okay, so on the side, there's a little minimum and maximum. Whoops, I'm gonna slide this on like so. Yeah, next time I'm just gonna actually just fill it up, place it there because it's too much. Okay, I'm gonna erase this out of the video. All right, put this back on here. Okay, then I need to place the bottles. So the bottle placement actually has 4 spouts here. So you see these little indentions? So I have Phillips bottles, Como Tomo, and then I have nursing bottles from my pump. So I'll just put those bottles in there, okay? Like so. Let's turn this around so you see the front while I load. So I am going to load all Como Tomo bottles. I have 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then on top, you can use it this way or you can put it this way if you have shorter bottles. These bottles are on the taller side, so I'll just flip it this way, okay? And on the top, we'll put all of these. Actually, I'm gonna put this in here. I like to take the nipples out of the ring just to get the full cleaning, but you know, you can do what you feel is best, but I love taking the full. So I'm gonna put these rings in there too and stand them side up. That way they can get a good cleaning. And put all the nipples on top. And then I might I'm trying to get the best bang for my buck. So I want to put these pacifiers in there too that I just purchased. And close it up. Okay, so the top actually has everything. All right, good, looks good to me. All right, after we place the bottle cover, okay, there's also instructions for a breast pump. Kind of basically the same. Bottles go in the bottom, tops go in the top. Okay, to operate it, let me see. We are going to I'll go ahead and press this. Actually, I need to open these detergents. So they gave us a set. These are the same. Okay, good. Wow, they gave us 60 detergent tablets. Pretty cool. So we'll go through those in no time. So open these detergent tablets, take one out. Okay, so actually the detergent goes in here. Wait, where does it go? Into the bottle compartment? Okay, it says the bottle compartment, but that's the bottom. So let me put it in here. I think it goes in this little ring at the top. Okay, that's what they're showing at least. All right, so let me get this set up and I'll be right back. All right, so now let's go ahead and turn it on. It's in the power button. Now we are going to, it's auto set at normal steam storage 29 minutes. That's the normal cycle. There's a rapid cycle that we could try that's 19. I don't want that one. And then there's a steam if I want a steam only. That one, it kind of auto calculates the time. And then the storage is here. That's 19 as well. So we want a normal cycle. So we'll go ahead, press play. And it's washing. So I already have the drain pipe going to the sink. And I'm going to let this run for 29 minutes. And that's it. Simple, easy peasy. All right, just a few minutes in, you can see it washing. So it's kind of doing its thing. And the clock is counting down. So far I'm impressed. Let's see, I'll follow up once we get these bottles out to see just how much of the milk residue it actually cleans. All right. As a follow-up to the video, we've been using this for about 3 months. We have had no issues with it. It has worked just as efficiently now as it was when we first started using it. I use it about 3 to 4 times a day for bottles, for parts, pumping parts, for my wearable cups, everything that I need it for. This bottle washer does it all. I have recommended it to every mom. As a professional mother of 3 little kids, this is the best investment that I could have purchased for my sanity. And I know that my baby's bottles are always clean and sanitized. As you can tell, it's actually going through the storage sterilization phase now. So it's going to dry those bottles. It's going to take the next 40 minutes. I run it late at night after my last pump and feeding, and I run it about 5 a.m. in the morning is when I start my next session. So very consistently running. It's very durable. It gets the job done. It keeps the bottles clean. I've never seen one bottle pumping part or any of my wearable cups with any residue. So I would highly, highly recommend this. I know it does go on sale often. There have been stackable sales on this for Prime Day, as well as if you put this on your registry for Amazon, on your baby registry on Amazon. So this is one of the best purchases, and I highly recommend it if you are interested in it. If you want it, if you're thinking about it, go ahead and pull the trigger. This is not a paid ad, but an honest review. Please like, follow, and share.